Hi Bite Fam! Ako ulit to si Miguel and welcome to One Big Bites Food Journey! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Binondo, Manila, ang pinakamatandang Chinatown sa buong mundo. Not just in the Philippines guys, but in the whole entire world. Ang dami natin ngayon gagawin guys. The food, the culture, the people, the places, and everything between. O diba, ang saya, let's go on a food trip and tara, let's go guys! Come on this journey with me. So unang stop natin, Plaza San Lorenzo Ruiz. This plaza is named after San Lorenzo Ruiz, ang first Filipino saint at patron saint of overseas Filipinos. Kaya saktong-sakto for our show, for our OFW and Filipino friends worldwide. At dito mismo katabi ng plaza, makikita ang Binondo Church or the minor basilica of St. Lorenzo Ruiz. Built in 1596 pa to guys. Imagine this, 400 plus years of history. Nasira siya during World War II, but it was rebuilt and turned into the beautiful structure that we see today. Ang ganda nito sa loob guys. Halos parang time capsule. These are the places that you read in history books, so seeing it in person is such a surreal experience. Siyempre, pag Binondo, hindi pwede mawala kung hindi ka dumaan sa Sincerity Cafe and Restaurant. Established in 1956 pa, so halos 70 years na silang nagsaserve ng comfort food guys. That's a pretty long time if you ask me. Pero pinakasikat talaga sila sa kanilang Chinese fried chicken. Crisp on the outside, juicy sa loob, may hint of 5-spice flavor, and importante, masarap siya. Marami ng food critics at vloggers ang nagsabi na ito daw ang best Chinese-style fried chicken sa Manila, kahit simple lang ang presentation. Ano nga ba ang secret nila? Sabi nila, marination and the cooking technique passed down for a generation is the key to a delicious Chinese-style fried chicken. Kaya kahit lumaki na ang restaurant, the flavor and consistency is still the same. So let's first start with their fried chicken. Ganun ang piece oh. Sige, try natin. Very crispy siya outside guys. And if makikita nyo sa loob, sobrang juicy niya. So, compared sa regular fried chicken, yung Chinese-style fried chicken may hint of 5-spice, may hint ng ginger. Then may din ako nalalasahan na Chinese rice wine. So, you really taste that in the meat and inside the chicken. Kung nasa abroad ka ngayon, this is one of those dishes na pagkagat mo, parang balik Pilipinas ka kaagad. Our next recipe guys naman is for the fried chicken lovers. Gagawa tayo ng Chinese-style fried chicken para yung nakain natin kanina sa Sincerity Cafe and Restaurant. So here are our ingredients guys. Meron tayong chicken wings. So as you guys can see, na separate na yung wingette pating domet to form our chicken wings. For our ingredients, simpleng-simple lang to. Meron tayong 5-spice powder, garlic powder, onion powder, soy sauce, Shaoxing wine. Then para sa ating dry ingredients, meron tayong flour and cornstarch na pampakrispy sa ating fried chicken. So let's start! Let's first add our chicken here into our mixing bowl. Then, after this, ilalagay na natin ang marinade pati yung mga dry ingredients. So, in goes our garlic powder, our onion powder, then our 5-spice mix. If you guys tried fried chicken in Chinese restaurants, ito talaga yung pampalasa niya. It's a mix of 5 different spices, giving it a signature taste that are familiar in Chinese restaurants. Then, we'll be adding our Shaoxing wine. Ito din ang isa sa pampalasa sa mga Chinese restaurants. So, if you didn't know before, now you know. The last but not the least, our soy sauce. After this, we'll be using clean gloves para halu-haluin natin ang ating fried chicken marinade. You'd really be surprised how easy cooking this type of fried chicken, guys. Yung iba, they cook it in the air fryer. Yung iba, they even roast it. Pero sa mga Chinese restaurants, usually their fried chicken is deep fried, which we'll be doing later. Talagang mabango siya. You can really smell the 5 spice. You can really smell the shaoxing wine. Yun talaga ang signature ingredients, which will give that fried chicken our distinct taste. So mix, 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 mix. Make sure the chicken is evenly coated. So it looks something like this. Medyo nag-brown na yung ating chicken. Then let's keep this in room temperature and let it marinate for another 30 minutes to 1 hour para talagang mag-seep in yung lasa ng ating fried chicken. Habang nagbabatter tayo, guys, ng dry mixture, we already preheated our oil earlier. So wait natin yung oil natin. I set this into medium-high heat at least para mamaya maging mas lalong crispy yung fried chicken natin. But first, let's do our dry mixture. So maglalagay ako dito sa ating tray ng flour. Then pampakrispy talaga ang ating cornstarch. This is really gonna make the skin very crispy while still retaining the moisture inside our chicken. Then syempre kailangan natin ng seasoning, so maglalagay tayo ulit syempre ng salt and pepper. And then the pepper. Then mix everything again using our clean gloves. Then let's coat each fried chicken piece until it's evenly coated. It should look something like this, nice and evenly coated. Pagkatapos magda-deep fry naman tayo until golden brown perfection. And for our final step, gagawa tayo ng spicy mayo bite, fam. Meron tayong Japanese style mayo. And of course, our chili oil. Then ididip natin ating finished Chinese-style fried chicken. Now let's take a one big bite out of it. Cheers, guys! Sarap talaga. Kahit deep fried siya, guys, at may mayo, hindi talaga siya nakakaumay. The chicken is very juicy on the outside, as you guys can see. Then, very crispy ang skin. You really get a hint of the 5 spice flavor, guys, pero hindi siya overwhelming. It really makes a great flavor combo with the other ingredients. So don't mind me if I take another bite.